Travis Barker and Kourtney Kardashian were spotted packing on the PDA at the star-studded fan duel party powered by Spotify Thursday night in New Orleans. Immediately following Blink-182’s epic performance at Second Line Stages, Barker rushed over to the VIP side area of the stage to meet up with his supportive wife. Kardashian, who adorably had her eyes on Barker the entire set, jumped onto her man and embraced him with a hug and a kiss. They then left hand in hand as a security team escorted them to a private area of the venue. Blink-182, which is also made up of Mark Hoppus and Tom DeLonge, had the crowd roaring with laughter with their hilarious banter in between songs. The rock band delivered a set that featured plenty of their classic hits, including All the Small Things, Aliens Exist, Rock Show, and What's My Age Again? The trio also dropped their signature nod to Taylor Swift at one point by mixing the lyrics of We Are Never Ever Getting Back Together into their song Damn It. The moment was extra well received by the NOLA crowd, due to it happening days before Swift's boyfriend, Travis Kelce, and the Kansas City Chiefs take on the Philadelphia Eagles for Super Bowl 2025. Though Swift was not in attendance to witness the shout-out in person, the Bad Blood singer has officially arrived in New Orleans ahead of the NFL championship game. As Hoppus and DeLonge were belting out a snippet of her 2012 pop hit, Swift was enjoying an intimate dinner with Kelce and pals Patrick and Brittany Mahomes.